Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today I've got a really impressive 79 series that just had a heap of work and it's coming in for a custom dyno tune. Before I go on, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel and click the bell for notifications. Before I put the 79 in the workshop, I'd love to take you around and show you what's been done. So on the front, we've got an ARB with brush bars, winch, steady lights on it as well. As we move down the vehicle, we've got 35-inch tyres on method rims. We've got the mirrors upgraded. We've got the rack on the roof as well with further steady lights on the side and on the front of the car. And as we go back, you'll see this being a brand new car. You can see all the J-Max conversion done in the rear of the vehicle, which is a very well sought after kit for these 79s. To help support the 35-inch tyres, it's got a great King suspension setup, giving it a great lift for this vehicle, as well as also having the Safari RMAX snorkel fitted. So as part of the tuning procedure here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, it's really important that we get the vehicles in the workshop and do the pre-tune inspection. So let's get it in. Well guys, the inspection on the 79 series has now been complete. As you'd expect, it's all good to go, so let's put it on the dyno and start custom dyno tuning it. The owner of this 79 series is setting it up for towing and touring as well. With our tuning process here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, we need to know what the vehicle's being used for, as well as that we're going to take into consideration all those extras that I spoke about earlier on. So we've now completed the custom dyno tune on the big 79. Let's have a look at the results. When we first ran it up, it had 100 kilowatts of power and 313 Newton meters of torque. And that's what you'd expect when you've got 35-inch tyres on it. After we completed the tune, it went to 134 kilowatts of power and 619 Newton meters of torque at the rear tyres. This was a 97% gain in peak torque and over 35% gain in peak power. Just want to make mention with this 79 series, it's got the factory DPF with a DPF back exhaust system and the factory fuel system. Well guys, this would have to be one of my favourite 79s, and I think when they finish off the touring on the rear of the vehicle, it's going to be really impressive. But as you can see, we do a lot of brand new 79s straight from the factory or having had done some modifications and then come straight to us. So if you're looking to improve the performance of your 79 series or your common rail diesel, give us a call. Drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. Remember, we do have a dealer network all the way around Australia, but make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning.